everyone, so I thought I would film a video of just me organizing my art supplies and talking about them and just showing you the stuff I've accumulated and what I like and what I don't like. I thought it would be kind of interesting because I like videos like this, and if you're like me, maybe you'll like this video too. So feel free to kind of like draw along with this video, or also organize while I organize, or just watch it, or whatever you want to do. Now this, what you're seeing, is my messy desk, and I usually don't like it to look this way, but I just finished doing a bunch of like tests with paint and all kinds of stuff, so I need to start by cleaning that up first. I recently got a bunch of new brushes, and I got them from Michael's, and it kind of came with this like zip up pouch, which is super handy, so I'm gonna try to take care of them. I go through phases of like having a lot of nice brushes, breaking them, losing them, destroying them, and then buying new ones. And I just get like really cheap ones. I got like a value pack at Michael's for $7, and they're all really decent brushes for the price, so I thought that was pretty cool. This is where I keep all my pencil crayons. I should probably keep these separate because they're water soluble, but I don't have a lot of them, so I'm just going to keep them with all my other ones. I'm starting to get too many, and I need a different container for them because they are just not going to fit in here anymore. These are my Posca pens, so those. This is my gouache set, but they're all very empty. Some more gouache. I just need a bin for just gouache paint. Palette that I probably won't clean because it has some colors on it, so I'll keep it like that. This is the pack I got at Michael's. 25 pieces for $7. Really, really good deal. Some of them might not be the best quality, but they work for me, so I see no reason to spend like $5 on every brush. I recently got new gouache. It's the acrylic gouache, which basically means it dries forever, pretty much. I've never used it before. I've used one, I actually have a light blue color, but I'm really excited to finally have acrylic gouache because I've wanted it for so long. I'm gonna start with my paint drawer because it's a little bit out of sorts at the moment. So my palettes. This is kind of a palette. Another palette. Brushes, which I might actually throw some away, unless they look pretty nice. Rubber cement for mounting stuff. This Tupperware container that I probably shouldn't have in here. My nice little watercolor travel. Whoa, that's messy. I like this one because you can interchange the colors. All my watercolor tubes. So I feel like I need something like this for all my gouache. This could be it. Maybe. There's like glitter in it though. This is actually the other acrylic gouache that I have. It's like the same kind as this. So maybe they can fit in here. Nope. No, I'll have to use this box of gouache to like put them in here. These are watercolor trays, which are kind of important to keep. So these are my brushes, and I want to keep my watercolor ones separate. Like the ones that are specifically for watercolor are in here. Most of them should be, oh no, completely dried out water brush. I'm gonna have to fix that later. Some of these are not brushes. They're more like alternate applicators. If any of them look unusable, I will get rid of them. Maybe not garbage, but like I won't use them for nice stuff. These all look pretty good except for this one. I might actually move these into here. It's just smaller, more compact. Probably put my rubber cement there. Well, actually this is not paint, so it's gonna go in my stationery drawer. There's dog hair on everything. Watercolor palettes. They're gonna have to go there. Oh wait, I have an empty one. Watercolor ones are different because they can just hold water, where they're meant to like release water and pigment, but the other brushes are meant to kind of drag it. They're more for holding paint, not water, so that's what makes them different. So all my brushes, I access them a lot, so I don't access my watercolor that much because they're usually just in the palette, so maybe those should go there. These brushes should go here. I probably don't want like a lid in there like this. I'll put the inks with the watercolor because they're pretty similar. The black ink can go here, the eyedropper, the special ink, and these weird brushes will go in with my other miscellaneous. And there, that's way better organized. I have my paints, my brushes, and my palettes. I think that works a lot better. Now this is a dry media. I need to stand at my desk because it's hard to sit on the ground. So here's where I keep all of my pencil crayons, markers, and any like dry media. Oh, another palette. I'll move this to the painting drawer. This is already pretty organized. Oh look, pencil crayons. These need to go there. Crayons. Oh wow, this is full of garbage. I definitely use this more than anything else, so it should be on the top. The lid is covered in paint, but I'm gonna leave it that way. These are I kind of use them second most, so I'll put it underneath those. I hardly ever use these pastels, but I'm going to be using them soon, so I'm actually going to leave them here. These markers don't get used that much. I never really use these because they last so long, so the ones that I have, like the one I took out, I'm still using, so crayons can go back here. These pens also, there's so many of them, I'm still using some, but they're really nice to have though. My Posca pens should probably go in here. I use them a lot, so I'm going to leave them here and have a nice like Posca pastel pencil crayons, and then everything else back here. This is full of markers. Bunch of different kinds. I'm not really into markers at the moment, but I of course will be, so I'm going to leave them back here. I might actually put these with my other markers, which are in my closet, so these are going to go somewhere else. Sharpies should not really be in here, but I'm going to put them in there. That looks a lot better than it did, a lot more accessible, because before I just kind of organized it according to like how it fit best, but this is actually functional because I can just grab these, or grab these, because I'm going to be using all of these a lot very soon, so I'm excited. I should mention that these little storage cubes are from Michaels, and my desk is made out of them, so each side has two, and then the desk is just a big piece of pine that I covered with contact paper because it's a little bit too yellow for videos. And in this, these are all my electronics, my 3DS games. Anything to do with electronics are in here, and the front actually broke off, and it's so stripped that I can't like get it to stay on. I tried to glue it and it came off, so I need to do a better job of fixing it, but I'm not going to do that right now. So now I'm going to organize this area, which is basically where I keep all my loose paper, but it's still not organized the way I want it to be, and I keep changing it. I'm just going to take everything out. This needs to go somewhere else beside my desk. It needs to like kind of go between my desk and my printer. Like there's this little area where I put stuff like that, so that should not be there. This is loose. I think this is printmaking paper, but it's just like loose paper. I need to have a bin for loose paper. I think that would help a lot. This is linoleum for carving. Some more. A viewfinder. I don't really want that. more loose paper, a pad of paper, which is going to go here for now. My Crayola supplies are all in there, and that's where I like to keep them, but I don't know if that's a good idea anymore. I'm not really sure. A bunch of loose cardboard for like shipping things, but these are too small to do anything. I have a box for my lino stuff, so that's gonna go somewhere else. This is a light box, well, a tracing pad. Oh, there's more stuff under it. I actually use this one way more. Cricut sent it to me a long time ago, and it's USB powered. And my lights have a USB cable, so it's just the easiest one to use. This one's really good too. I like them both. I feel like it's good to have two in case one of them fails. This is actually already organized. I have 2 things of watercolor paper. I just like using these for finals. Any final illustration, anything I'm going to be doing mixed media with. I love hot press paper because you can pretty much use anything on it and it works really nicely. I have this notebook, which shouldn't be there actually. I think I was gonna like journal in this a little bit, so I'll put that somewhere else. Okay, so here's all my like scrap drawing paper, and this is actually one of those. I have a whole bunch of them because they were super cheap and I burned through them so fast in school. So it's nice to have them, and this has little drawings on it. This is pen paper, which I probably won't really use, to be honest. So I think it's good that it's here because these 2 sketchbooks... Wait, why are these here? Why did I put these here? I don't know why these are here, but they shouldn't be there. They should be where I keep all my sketchbooks, which is in a shelf somewhere else. So the pen paper I probably won't really use unless I have to use pen. These blank sheets of paper are pretty important, and I have so many of them I want to use them up. Probably will go through them for school really fast. And my watercolor paper. And I do use this a lot, so I'm glad it's there. And I'll probably use this drawer for like scraps. So scraps will go here. I'm gonna try to fit my Crayola stuff in here because I think I can actually do it. Oh no, they all spilt. And these, I never really use these actually. I should probably just give them away. These are my Crayola markers. They are slowly dying. I've had them for like 10 years. They're super old, so I'm gonna put them there. Because this stuff back here I hardly ever need to access, and this stuff I am going to be accessing a lot. Barely use these. What is in here? Oh, another water jar, that's good. Oh, this is the hardware for my desk. I'm gonna keep that way back there. Out of sight, out of mind, but at least I still have it in case something goes on. This is actually my first Inktober sketchbook. It's pretty old stuff that I'm not really proud of, but it was like the first time I like actually did Inktober. Oh, that's bad. Whoa. I remember not liking most of these when I made them, and looking at them now, I can do a lot better. Do a quick little flip through. What is that? I think this is some weird gourd that I had. 19, 20. Oh, I glued 2 sheets together for that one. 23, 24, 25, 26. I remember, like, I was so dedicated to this Inktober that I would like lie down to go to sleep and for the next day, and I'd remember, oh, I didn't do Inktober for today, and then I would get out of bed, I would do it, I would post it to Instagram sometimes. I did that a lot. This is a like live observation book that I guess I'll keep in here. This is a sketchbook that I've been meaning to use. I still haven't used it. It should actually not be there. It really shouldn't be there. This is where I keep glue and just like bottles of stuff that I use a lot. This paint shouldn't be there. Here's some like extra business cards. I'm gonna keep those way back there. I think these are like really old prints that I don't really like sell anymore. And a lot of them are like misprinted. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do with them because I don't really want people to like have them because I'm not proud of them at all. I'll probably just hold on to them And a lot of my glue has, oh, you cannot see this. A lot of my glue has missing caps. This is actually masking fluid. I'm gonna put this water jar here for easy access. And I was thinking that this could be for palettes because I do use them a lot and I might actually take them out of here. So I think that's a good place for those. Now onto my pens and pencils, and my floor is so squeaky, I apologize. I didn't even know that was there. These are like extra wooden pins. I'm gonna leave them there. These are all my pencils. And the thing I wanted to organize was this. Whoa. So any pencil, charcoal, anything that like I need to sharpen that's like not a colored pencil goes in there. Colored markers, colored pencils, but like the erasable kind. Oh, there's those earbuds. Okay, those shouldn't be there either. Everything is just in the wrong place. I've been meaning to sort out this pencil case because I don't use it currently, and it's full of stuff that shouldn't be here. So I hope you enjoyed seeing me organize my art supplies and talk about where I like to put things for my workflow and all the stuff, seeing all the stuff that I use the most. I really hope this was somewhat interesting, and I'll see you in my next video.